Hello, pop-up nation. I just got my veneers and I love my smile. So it was an easy process. You send your molds in and then they make a reverse mold, which are these little guys, and they send them back to you. So I'm wearing the veneers. I can actually just take the top veneer and stick it on the mold here and just kind of see that, yeah, that's a pretty good fit. So take off the bottom ones because I actually have 3 missing teeth, 1 here and 2 here in the back, and they were able to cover the space, and since these missing ones are in the far back, they just shortened it by that. Still pops in just fine. What they send you is a nice sturdy carrying case with mirror. They send you some whitener tablets. You're not supposed to use toothbrush. I guess too abrasive. Toothpaste, sorry. You do use a toothbrush. And they send you that. And then there's this little nylon bag, which is cute too. So putting them in is easy. This is the bottom one. And the top one. And I love them. What I had before was crooked tooth, and yellow. So I love these. Go for it. If you're thinking about getting them, get them. I'm very happy. Thanks, Pop-Up.